everyone, it is Carla. I'm so excited about today's video. I will be doing a braid out. My braids are under my wig. I just decided to keep my wig on until I get to that part. But I will be sharing with you guys some beautiful Agave products. I partnered up with them to bring you guys this awesome styling video. I will be sharing with you guys their lovely shampoo and conditioner, their revitalizing shine spray, as well as their restructive hydrating mask and their Agave healing oil treatment. So I have tested out and tried all of these products. First thing I'm gonna say is they smell amazing. The mixture is whoo to your nostrils, like seriously. First of all the products smell amazing. Agave extract, it will literally add strength, resiliency, and elasticity to your hair strands, which is so important to retain length, to actually be able to have visible hair growth. Okay, so we're just gonna get straight into this braid out now. So I'm just going to take off my wig. Yay! Now you guys see I did not want to start the video like this. So I'm going to just be styling my natural hair in its braids. It is about 2 weeks in these braids. I did use the Agave smoothing shampoo and conditioners. I just love how they look. All the products just look really, really nice, and you're gonna definitely get what you pay for. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing. The shampoo got my hair clean in one wash. It was squeaky clean. I normally have to do 2, so that is a plus. But the conditioner made my hair feel super duper soft, super duper soft. Oh my gosh. I'm not even joking. Like, I could literally run my fingers through my super tight curly afro hair like this. Just run through it in the shower. I'm not lying to you guys. You have to get these products and try them for yourself. This is the hydrating mask. So, of course, it does what it says on the back. It's an intensive reconditioning treatment loaded with agave plant sugars. It strengthens, hydrates, and smooths dry, damaged, or frizzy hair. It literally does. My hair felt stronger. I noticed, I'm not making this up, less hair breakage in my shower after using this shampoo and conditioner as well as their mask. And I also noticed my hair was as soft as it's ever been. Like, I'm literally not joking. I was running my fingers through my afro hair, like just smooth, like smooth as ever. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. I will have the links down below to purchase. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is use some of the revitalizing shine spray for this braid out, and this is just gonna add some shine and moisture to my hair. It smells so good. So I'm just going to spray that all over so I can evenly distribute that on top of the braids. And now we're just going to start to take out our braid out. Luckily, since I did use the shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask, my hair is going to be extremely soft, and you guys are going to notice how nice it looks. I'm super excited. And you guys see, even it's like really easy for me to take out my braids. Ooh, and they have a nice sheen to them after spraying on that spray. The only products on my hair are the Agave products right now, so you guys are going to really get to see what it looks like. So I'm just going to take out all of my braids, and yeah. I did also use the oil treatment, which is their healing oil, and what I did was I evenly distributed this on my damp hair, so when it dried, it just kind of dried in with my hair. And I'm going to tell you guys what this does. This smooths, restores, and transforms dry, damaged, or frizzy hairs. Agave plant sugars hydrate and preserve hair color. So it will heal, hydrate, and restore dry, damaged hair. As you guys can tell, my hair looks super duper just moisturized and soft. You guys can see how soft it is. I can run my fingers right through it. I haven't touched my hair in a few weeks as well. As we take this out, I will be styling it lightly and just fluffing it out to make it look good. That's how I do my braid out. So I'll just take out a couple of the braids, and as I'm taking it out, I'll just tease it with my comb, and I'll just really fluff it out to make it look good. This oil treatment also increases moisture and it will lock in the moisture, which is important to retain moisture and not have breakage when you're taking out your hair. Like literally, look at how good this has my hair looking. I'm so happy with the level of shine and just everything. It looks fantastic. This is gonna be a really great braid out. I can already tell. Look at that. Beautiful. So we're just gonna keep styling, and as I take out the braids, I'm just going to tease it up in the back a little bit and blend this all in. And it does, after putting on that oil treatment, I do notice that it has my frizz of my hair controlled 100%, and it increased the shine. My hair has never looked this shiny taking out a fresh braid out. I'm genuinely like shook right now. I don't think you guys understand, like my hair has never looked genuinely this just healthy and shiny and look this good after a braid out, just taking out the braids. I'm not making this up. Even though this is partnered and sponsored, they did not tell me to say that. Seriously, I'm so 100 with you guys. I'm actually shook. These products are amazing. I will have the links down below. You have to try this on your hair and let me know in the comments how you like it. If you have tried it before, go in the comments and let everyone know that this product is what it does, exactly what it says on the package of the product. It's beautiful. We're just going to continue to take out these braids and then I'm gonna come back at you guys. All right, so now that all my braids are out, I've never had a braid out this easy before, to the point where I don't even have to do any teasing. I normally have to tease it all together and to make it all blend and fall right, but it is falling right by itself. Wow. I can definitely say Agave, amazing on my hair. It looks so good. I'm so happy with this. I'll show you guys the full 360. So this is what it looks like all around after using only Agave hair products on my hair. Those 5 products on my hair. It is so amazing. Oh my gosh, what? Okay, so I'm obsessed. Like I said, I used the Agave Healing Oil Shampoo, Conditioner, the Revitalizing Shine Spray. I would add more, but it's already perfect, but I'm gonna add more because it smells good. The oil treatment, as well as the Restoring Hair Mask. So I used the Hair Mask, Conditioner, Shampoo in the shower. I also used the oil treatment on my damp hair, and then on my dry hair, I used the Shine Spray, baby. So that is it for this one. I am loving this braid out, you guys. That is it. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to purchase some Agave products. I will have them linked down below. Thank you for partnering with me, Agave Healing Oil. I'm so happy with the products, and I hope that everyone watching this video who has tried it or plans on trying it loves it as much as I do. Go in the comments down below and let me know what you think of them, if you have tried them, or how you guys like my braid out, girl. Or how you do your braid out. Yes, hunty. Okay, you guys, thumbs up, subscribe for more hairstyling videos like this. And I will catch you in my next one. Bye, you guys. Sativa so strong, I'm not blinking. What in the world was I thinking? New day, new money to be made. New things for them to imitate.